Nigeria's National Primary Healthcare Development Agency has inspected about 4,080,000 Moderna vaccine doses that recently arrived the country on August 1. During the inspection of the vaccines donated by the United States government at the National Strategic Cold Store in Abuja, the agency says effective vaccination management is necessary in the battle against the third wave of infections. Our correspondent Edong Joseph tells us more.
About 4 million doses of Moderna vaccines recently arrived to Nigeria from the United States of America. This donation is the product of a partnership between the African Vaccine Acquisition Trust, AVAT, COVAX, and the United States government. Though Nigeria received about 3.9 million doses of Oxford AstraZeneca in March to kickstart its vaccination drive, the World Health Organization has assured Nigeria's government that the Moderna vaccines are also safe for use.
The vaccine is highly effective, so more over 94%. So the advice would be to continue to get vaccinated. The vaccine is quite good, and then the monitoring system will still be effective, will still be around just to monitor any adverse effect if there is any.
Nigeria's Primary Healthcare Development Agency, during an inspection at the nation's vaccine facility in Abuja, disclosed that government had earlier acquired additional ultra-cold freezers to accommodate the Moderna and other vaccines being expected.
The Presidential Steering Committee and the Federal Ministry of Health procured 60 ultra-coating equipment way ahead of when we heard about the donation. So the partnership was already prepared, knowing that ultimately we will get vaccines that will require these types of environment.
The agency, while assuring of government's commitment to scale up vaccination in the country, says it is waiting for an evaluation of the vaccines by the nation's Food and Drug Agency so it can commence another vaccination campaign.
Once NAFDAC says we are good to go, we've already laid out a very comprehensive logistic deployment plan, working with CACOVID to make sure that these vaccines get to the subnational level as soon as possible. This is particularly important because we're already experiencing a third wave and there's no need for the vaccines to be at national level while they are needed with our citizens. So we're going to be rolling out immediately after we get clearance from NAFDAC.
As soon as the vaccines are cleared, they will go straight to the states where there is enough capacity and enough storage to accommodate them for quick use. What we would say is that the quicker these are used, the better, because then the next round can come in and be used effectively as well.
From Abuja, Edong Joseph, News Central Television.